One possible fix for Jeep's reverse lights not coming on is down in the transmission there is a reverse signal switch that could be torn off, especially on these older Jeeps. They do have a tendency to fray wires, and especially if you're doing a transmission fluid change, that can cause the wire to get a little bit frayed. So as you can see here, this right here is the reverse signal switch. This right there, that bolt right there, that's where you the fill hole for the transmission fluid. Right beside it is the reverse switch. So sometimes whenever you're doing a transmission fluid change, you can kind of mess with this wire a little bit and cause it to break off like mine did here. So got a little soldering iron, soldered that back, and now it's working. Wasn't the best soldering job, but it does get it done until I can get a new switch altogether.